Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun summer layered card for you. This is my Summer Flamingo layered card. Isn't that so fun and colorful? You've got the beautiful sun ray there, the fun little palm tree, all the different seashells and flowers on the beach, and of course that cool little flamingo right there. You got a spot there on the inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account created already on my website, you can head to the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page that explains all of our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. You can go ahead and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and type in my credentials and log into the website. And now we've logged into our account. To access the file library, use the main navigation bar and head to the Files tab. Go ahead and click the File Library, and then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 224. That is the Summer Flamingo layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do a few things to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel, find the envelope, highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. After those two layers have been converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. You'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put together our front cover panel. We're going to start with the light blue layer, tan, green, pink, yellow or orange, and then the dark blue. Don't worry, I have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer all this together. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything together, and then I will show you what it looks like. Okay, there is our front cover panel. Isn't that so fun? I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side to dry, and I will go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Now we can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card base and let's add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. Alright, let's close up the card, and now we can add our front cover panel to the front. And there is our fun Summer Flamingo layered card. So cool. I'll set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make our envelope really quick. So we'll fold and burnish along the score lines of the envelope. Add our glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope. Spin that envelope around. Fold our side flaps in. Add our glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up on the bottom flap and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. How perfect is this card for summer? I love that little flamingo. He's so cute. Not really in your face, just there on the side, but really, really cute. I hope that you like this one. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!